Hello traders, today is 10 September 2024 and in this video we will talk about the daily results of our account management service, and in this video I will show you today's results of our account management service. Okay, this is my master account and basically this is FTMO's challenge account, and all my clients accounts and my own personal accounts are linked with this master account using a premium trade copier. So today on the master account I took 3 entries on gold and the risk was 0.50% with 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio. That's mean 0.50% was at risk and 0.50% was our take profit. The first trade hit the stop loss. Actually I opened 2 trades and this was our zone for selling in gold and this was our entry point, and the stop loss was on the above this zone which got hit, and the take profit was right here at this point. So this was the stop loss and the risk was 0.50%, so we lost 0.50% on this trade. This was another zone for buying on gold, and this was our entry point right here, and the stop loss was below this zone and the take profit was right here, and this was the take profit with 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and basically this was a little bit risky entry, and I closed it at break even. I closed it manually because market was creating the liquidity at this point, and market was making some equal lows and there were chances to hit the stop loss, so I closed it manually, and when I closed my entry the market was gone in my direction as well. So the last setup was again on gold, and this was the zone for selling and this was my entry point, and the stop loss was at this point right here which got hit, and the take profit was at this point, and this was the entry with 0.50% risk, and the take profit was also 0.50%, but this trade hit the stop loss, so we lost 0.50% on this entry. So guys, there were 3 entries, and one entry was with break even, that's mean no profit and no loss, and 2 trades were with 0.50% loss. So overall we are closing the day in 1% drawdown, and all clients accounts also had a 1% loss. I also captured the video clips of these trades, so let's play the videos and see how the trades performed. So that was the performance for today, and we are closing the day with 1% drawdown. If you want to see transparent result videos like this on daily basis, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to join our account management service, you can join our Telegram channel. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.